Welcome to Lata ZDZ online classes. All of you subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video. In this class, we discuss the worksheet 5 of class 6 maths. Okay. So, in this worksheet, first of all, we have to learn some units of liters and kilometers and also kgs. So, in this, first of all, you have to know that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter and 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Like this, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter and 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. And here kilo means 1000. So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, 1 kiloliters is equal to 1000 liters. So, remember this word kilo, kilo means 1000. Okay. So, now we will see one example also. See, in this example, we have to know for this is 2 lakhs, yes, 2 lakh centimeters, how many meters? So, what we do? We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter or 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. See, 100 centimeters, we write centimeters as cm is equal to 1 meter and meter as m. Okay. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So, 1 centimeters is equal to how many meters? What we will do? Yes, we simply cross multiply this. By that, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Okay, so here we divided this 2 lakhs by 100. So, 2 zeros cancel, 2000 meters. Like this, we can do this. For per 2000 meters, how many kilometers? So, per 1 meter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, we have to divide it by 1000, here 2 kilometers. Okay. Like this, we have to do the worksheet. So, in this worksheet, first question is convert 800 meters into centimeters. Okay. So, we have to convert 800 meters into centimeters. Okay. Now, we will do this. So, see, so here 800 meters, how many centimeters? We have to do this. So, 1 meter is equal to 100 meters, we know this. So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, 800 is equal to how much? So, we have to cross multiply this. Cross multiplication means we will multiply this 800 meters into 100 centimeters and this question mark into 1 meter. Okay. So, question mark into 1 meter here and here 800 meters into 100 centimeters. So, we want to know what is this question mark. If we take this 1 meter, this right side. So, meter cancel. So, 800 into 100 centimeters. How much? Here in 800 there are 2 zeros and in 100 there are 2 zeros. So, total how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So, after 8 4 zeros. So, this is 80,000 centimeters. So, simply we calculated that per 800 meters 80,000 centimeters. This is the first problem. Okay. Next one. Second one, how many milliliters are there in 3 liters? So, same way we have to do this also. So, we will do this. See. So, this is second one. Okay. So, per 1 liter 1000 milliliters. So, per 3 liters how much? So, again we multiply these two, 3 liters into 1000 milliliters. So, 3 into 1000 milliliters, this will become here 3 zeros. So, after 3 zeros, 3000 milliliters. This is your second one. Next one. How many grams are there in 3 kgs? So, same way we will do this problem also. See. Okay, this is third one. So, 3 kgs, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, we know that. So, per 3 kgs how many grams? Again same, we will multiply these 3 into 1000 grams, 3000 grams. So, this is your third one. If you want write neatly, pause the video and write down neatly. Okay. So, next question, fourth one, convert 3 kilometers and 6 meters into centimeters and also millimeters. So, in this problem first of all we have to convert these kilometers into meters, after that we have to convert in centimeters, after that we have to convert in millimeters also, and this 6 meters we have to convert in centimeters and millimeters. Okay. Now, see this. So, first of all 3 kilometers, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So, 3 kilometers is equal to how much? Question mark. So, we multiply these two, 3 into 1000 meters, 3000 meters. But we have to convert this into centimeters. So, again we have to do this. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So, per this 3000 meters how much? Again same, we will multiply these two, 3000 into 100 centimeters. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros here. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So, this is 3 lakh centimeters. Again, we have to convert these centimeters into millimeters. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So, per 3 lakh centimeters how much? Again, we multiply these two, 3 lakhs into 10, 30 lakhs millimeters. Okay, very simple. Same as it is, this also 6 meters. First of all, we have to convert these meters into centimeters. So, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So, 6 centimeters is equal to how much? Same, we multiply these two, 6 into 100 centimeters, 600 centimeters. But we have to convert this millimeters also. So, again 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So, per this 600 centimeters how much? So, we have to multiply these two, 600 into 10, this is 6000 millimeters. So, this is your fourth problem. Okay. So, next one, fifth one. How many grams are there in 5 kgs 350 grams? Okay. So, for this, see, So first of all, here 5 kgs and 350 grams. So these 5 kgs are there and 350 grams also there. So first of all, you have to convert these kgs into grams. Again we have to add these 350 grams. So per 1 kg 1000 grams, 5 kgs how much? Same thing, we have to multiply these two. So 5 into 1000 grams, 5000 grams. So this 5000 grams and this 350 grams. So if you add these two, 5000 grams plus 350 grams, 5350 grams. Okay. But this is not over, because in worksheet he asked that, okay, this is over. So this much. Okay, did you understood? Okay, so this is your fifth one. Last answer is 5350 grams are there in 5 kg 350 grams. Okay. Next one, sixth one. In sixth one, write the names of any 5 things which we use in our daily life, which are measured in grams, centimeters and milliliters. So see, in grams, if you buy dal, dal means pappulu. Okay, in Telugu, pappulu. And sugar also we measure in grams. Okay, sugar, dals or anything. If you go to a kirana shop, he will weigh that into grams. So first of all, we have to write that sugar, dal, rice and everything. Okay, and in centimeters, what we measure in centimeters? Yes, we measure our height. Students' height. Okay, height. Okay, this is height, Height. Okay, student height. And what we measure in milliliters? Yes, we measure milliliters. Those are milk, oil and etc. Okay, so you have to write this answer for sixth one. Next, seventh one. See, seventh one. What is seventh one? If we fill 2.125 milliliter of cool drink in glasses with 200 ml each, how many glasses will be filled? Okay, we will do this problem. So this is seventh one. See, in seventh one, this is 2.125 milliliters. So first of all, we know that this 2 is liters, because here is point. 2 liters 125 milliliters. So first of all, you have to convert these liters into milliliters. So per 1 liter 1000 milliliters. So per 2 liters 2000 milliliters plus this 125 ml. So total 2125 milliliters. But in each glass there will be, we filled only 200 ml. So we have to divide these two. So 2125 by 200. If you don't know, we have to divide this like this, 200 and 2125. So first of all, 200 ones are 200 and we got 12 here, 125. Again 200 ones are, sorry, not 200 ones are, 200 zeros are, 200 zeros are 0. So 125 will be left. So we will fill in 10 glasses. Okay. So see here, answer is we will fill only 10 glasses, and this plus 125 ml will be left extra. This is okay. This is 7th one. Next, last one, 8th one. If you fill 5 kgs of soaps into small packets of 15 grams each, how many packets will be filled? Okay, for this problem, see here there are 5 kgs soap. So first of all we have to convert these kgs into grams. Per 1 kg there is 1000 grams. So for 5 kgs 5000 grams. So in small packet we will fill only 15 grams. So again we have to divide these two. So 5000 by 15 like this. 15, 5000. So again see here, 15 3s are 45. 5 is there, again we will take this 0 here, again 3s are 45. Again 5 will left, we will take this 0 also, again 3, again 45, again 5 will be extra here. So we will fill 333 packets, and this 5 grams will be extra soap. Okay. So this is 8th one. So if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe the channel.